Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Honda HR-V and the Hyundai Tucson, two popular SUVs. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which one best fits your needs. The HR-V is a subcompact SUV known for its nimble handling and affordability, while the Tucson is a compact SUV offering more space and power. Both comfortably seat 5, but their overall size and capabilities vary significantly. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, the Honda HR-V is equipped with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 158 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque. The Hyundai Tucson, on the other hand, boasts a more robust 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. In terms of fuel efficiency, both vehicles offer comparable combined mileage for their front-wheel drive gasoline models, around 28 miles per gallon. Moving inside, the Hyundai Tucson generally offers more interior space for passengers, with 108.2 cubic feet of passenger volume compared to the Honda HR-V's 98.7 cubic feet. This translates to more rear headroom and legroom in the Tucson. For cargo, the Tucson also takes the lead, providing up to 80.3 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down, significantly more than the HR-V's 55.1 cubic feet. Both offer comfortable seating for 5, but the Tucson provides a more expansive cabin and cargo area. Both the HR-V and Tucson come well-equipped with modern features. The Honda HR-V includes standard Honda sensing safety and driver-assistive technologies, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. The Hyundai Tucson counters with its standard Smart Sense suite, offering similar advanced safety features. Regarding value, the HR-V typically has a lower starting manufacturer's suggested retail price, beginning around $26,200, while the Tucson starts closer to $28,705. The Tucson also offers a longer powertrain warranty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.